Welcome to Zen Sage Mind. In this video, we'll reveal some powerful tips and tricks to help you capture her attention and keep her thinking about you. Gentlemen, it's all about strategy. Stay tuned because we're about to unleash 5 simple hacks that will make women think about you non-stop. Let's get started. Gentlemen, let's talk about the power of mystery. One of the most potent tools in your arsenal is the art of holding back, of not revealing everything about yourself all at once. Think about it. The less she knows, the more curious she becomes. It's this curiosity, this intrigue, that keeps you at the forefront of her mind. She'll find herself wondering about you, trying to piece together the puzzle that is you. Now, this doesn't mean being aloof or playing games. It's about being just out of reach, like a delicious secret waiting to be uncovered. When you're together, offer glimpses into your life, your passions, your experiences, but don't lay it all out on the table. Leave some questions unanswered. Let her imagination fill in the blanks. Trust me, the stories she creates in her mind will be far more captivating than anything you could ever spell out for her. This air of mystery makes you intriguing, unpredictable, and utterly irresistible. It sparks a desire in her to know more, to delve deeper into the depths of who you are. Think of it like a captivating novel. You wouldn't want to read the last page first, would you? The anticipation, the gradual unfolding of the story is what keeps you hooked. The same principle applies to attraction. By cultivating an air of mystery, you become the story she can't put down, the thought that lingers in her mind long after you've said goodbye. So embrace the power of mystery, gentlemen. Be a little enigmatic, a little elusive. Let her chase after you. Let her earn the privilege of uncovering the layers of your personality. Remember, the most interesting people are often the ones we know the least about. Be that man, the one who leaves her wanting more, the one who sparks a fire in her imagination, the one who makes her heart race with the unknown, the one who keeps her guessing, who makes her wonder what you'll do or say next. This is the essence of mystery, the allure of the unknown. So, gentlemen, never underestimate the power of a little mystery. It's a timeless tool that can make you unforgettable. Embrace it and watch as it transforms your interactions and leaves a lasting impression. This next hack might seem counterintuitive, but trust me on this one. Give her space to miss you. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a new connection, to want to spend every waking moment with her. But constantly being available can actually work against you. It can make you appear too eager, too desperate, and that, my friends, is not the vibe we're going for. Think about it. If you're always there, always at her beck and call, there's no opportunity for her to miss you. Absence, as they say, makes the heart grow fonder. When you give her space, you create a void. And that void, that emptiness where you once were, is what will make her think about you. She'll start to crave your presence, your energy, your conversation. This doesn't mean disappearing completely or playing hard to get. It's about finding a healthy balance. Stay busy, pursue your passions, maintain your own life outside of your interactions with her. When you do connect, be present, be engaged, but don't be afraid to be the one to end the conversation first, to say that you have to go. This will leave her wanting more, eager to pick up where you left off. Remember, the goal is to be the chase, not the chaser. By giving her space, you create the opportunity for her to pursue you, to miss you, to think about you when you're not around. So resist the urge to be constantly available. Give her the gift of missing you, and watch as her attraction for you grows stronger in your absence. Chapter 3. Build emotional connections through deep conversations. Let's face it, gentlemen, surface-level conversations will only get you so far. They might be good for initial interactions, but they won't create a lasting impression. To truly make a woman think about you, to forge a lasting connection, you need to delve deeper. You need to go beyond the superficial and touch the core of her being. You need to build emotional connections through meaningful conversations. These are the conversations that go beyond the mundane and touch the heart. Women are drawn to authenticity, to vulnerability, to men who aren't afraid to tap into their emotions. They appreciate when a man can be real and open. So ditch the small talk and engage her in conversations that matter. Talk about things that are important to both of you. Ask her about her dreams, her passions, and what drives her. Her aspirations, her fears, and her deepest desires. What keeps her up at night? What brings her joy? What are the moments that have shaped her life? What kind of legacy does she want to leave on the world? What are her hopes for the future? These are the conversations that will stay with her long after you've said goodbye. They will linger in her mind and heart. These are the conversations that will make her feel seen, understood, and connected to you on a deeper level. They create a sense of belonging and mutual respect. And when you share your own vulnerabilities, your own hopes and fears, you create a space of intimacy and trust. You show her that you are human too. You show her that you're not afraid to be your true self, and that's incredibly attractive. It shows confidence and self-awareness. Remember, the goal is not just to be seen, but to be felt, to create an emotional impact that resonates deeply. When you connect with a woman on an emotional level, you create a bond that is difficult to break. It's a connection that goes beyond the physical. So the next time you're with her, put down your phone, turn off the distractions, and really listen. Give her your full attention. Ask her questions that make her think, that challenge her, that reveal the depths of her soul. Engage her mind and heart, and don't be afraid to share your own depths with her in return. Open up about your own experiences and feelings. This is how you build lasting connections, the kind that make her think about you long after the conversation is ended. It's about creating memories and moments that matter. Chapter 4. Be unpredictable in a good way. Gentlemen, predictability is the death of attraction. If she can predict your every move, every response, she'll quickly lose interest. Think about it. Where's the excitement in knowing exactly what's going to happen next? The key to keeping her on her toes, to making her think about you constantly, is to be unpredictable in a good way. Now, this doesn't mean being unreliable or flaky. It's about keeping things interesting, about throwing in little surprises that keep her guessing. Maybe you surprise her with her favorite coffee in the morning, or you suggest a spontaneous adventure on a whim. These don't have to be grand gestures. It's the thoughtfulness, the element of surprise that counts. When you're unpredictable, you become a source of excitement and intrigue. She never knows what to expect from you, and that keeps her engaged, keeps you at the forefront of her mind. Think back to the beginning of a relationship, when everything was new and exciting. You were both discovering each other, and that sense of discovery is what fueled the initial spark. By incorporating elements of unpredictability into your interactions, you can reignite that spark, that sense of wonder and anticipation. So break free from the routine, gentlemen. Step outside of your comfort zone and surprise her. Be the man who keeps her guessing, who keeps her on her toes, who makes life an adventure. Chapter 5. Create positive emotional experiences. Gentlemen, let's talk about the power of association. People remember how you make them feel. It's a fundamental aspect of human nature. If you want a woman to think about you non-stop, create positive emotional experiences whenever you're together. These moments will become the foundation of her memories with you. Think about it. When she's feeling down, who does she want to be around? The person who lifts her spirits, the person who makes her laugh, who brings joy into her life. Laughter is a powerful connector. That's the person she'll be thinking about, the one she'll be drawn to. It's a natural inclination to seek out positivity. So, make it your mission to be that person for her. Be the one who consistently brings light into her life. Be the source of her laughter, her happiness, her adventure. Engage in activities that create lasting memories. Take her to new places, try new things together, create memories that will last a lifetime. These shared experiences will strengthen your bond. When you associate yourself with positive emotions, joy, excitement, warmth, her mind will naturally drift back to you when she's looking for comfort or a mood boost. You become her go-to person. You become her escape, her source of happiness, the one she turns to when she needs to feel good. This doesn't mean you have to be a comedian or a thrill seeker. It's about being genuine and present. It's about being present, being attentive, and genuinely wanting to see her smile. Your sincerity will shine through. Listen to her, make her feel heard, and show genuine interest in her passions. This creates a deeper connection. Celebrate her victories, offer comfort during her struggles, and be her rock in times of need. Your support will mean the world to her. Remember, the goal is to create a positive, emotional landscape whenever she's with you. This landscape will be the backdrop of your relationship. When she associates you with happiness, with adventure, with feeling good, she'll find herself thinking about you more and more. Your presence will be a source of joy. So be the man who lights up her world, gentlemen. Be the one who makes her days brighter. Be the one who makes her feel alive, who brings joy into her life. Your efforts will not go unnoticed. Create those positive emotional experiences and watch as she becomes utterly addicted to your presence. Your bond will grow stronger with each shared moment. Thanks for watching. If you found these hacks helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Zen Sage Mind for more insightful content. Remember, gentlemen, attracting a woman is not about tricks or manipulation. It's about being the best version of yourself, confident, intriguing, and emotionally intelligent. Now go out there and make her think about you non-stop. See you in the next video.